Top benefits of papaya for weight loss. Fat is easy to gain and hard to lose. Many fruits are helpful to cut fat and make the body fit and fine. Papaya is one of them, and a healthy fruit that is helpful for weight loss. When you should know the top benefits of papaya for weight loss, then you can't resist yourself to try this delicious fruit to reduce weight. Weight gain is easy, but losing weight is hard. Well, your research to lose weight by easy methods are finished here. Papaya is beneficial to reduce weight effectively. Moreover, we can be considered papaya as a magical ingredient to get rid of excess fat. This excellent fruit cut the cholesterol and make the body slim. Here you can get the best benefits of papaya for weight loss. Try this fruit at your home and you can also see yourself slim as well as healthy. List of top benefits of papaya for weight loss. Here you can find the best advantages of papaya for weight loss. You can add this to your daily routine and also look slim. This also improves skin tone and texture. You can find papain in papaya. Papain is a digestive enzyme, good for protein digestion. Fat is starting burning, then the body metabolism rate increases. So, good digestion helps to increase the metabolism rate. The calories are low in papaya. 100 grams of papaya contain the 43 calories. Papaya is also loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, folate, magnesium, and potassium. This fruit is rich in fiber and also a great source of water. Fiber maintains the fullness and flushes the fat molecules. Papaya contains antioxidants that eliminate toxins and increase metabolism. This also prevents heart disease. It considered as best when it takes with fat. You can consume it raw and with other food. It works best when they eat with fat. Moreover, you can also make papaya smoothie. Well, making the smoothie is very easy and also saves time. You just need to mix the mashed papaya with milk, yogurt. Papaya reduces the risk of colon and cancer. Better body, better life. Choose papaya to lose weight. The above benefits motivate you to eat papaya for reducing weight. Add papaya in salad, milk, smoothie, and also eat raw. Papaya diet plan, the right way to burn fat. Follow this diet plan for 3 days a week and you will see the effective results on you. Not even you are successful to lose weight, but also this helps to make your skin glowing. Early morning. 1 cup green tea. 1 cup warm water with 1/2 lime juice. Breakfast. 1 cup papaya, 140 grams, smoothie with 100 milliliters milk, if not lactose intolerant, and 50 grams curd, yogurt along with water as per the consistency, plus 1 boiled egg, 1 multigrain toast with peanut butter, plus 1/2 cup papaya. Mid-morning. 1 cup green tea with 1/2 teaspoon honey and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Lunch. 1 mushroom, chicken, tuna sandwich plus 1/2 cup yogurt, 1/2 cup kidney bean chili plus 1/2 cup cucumber and tomato salad plus 1 cup buttermilk. Post lunch. 1 cup papaya, 140 grams. Dinner. Grilled salmon, chicken with veggies, cabbage, lentil soup plus 1 multigrain toast. Follow the about diet chart and you can get the benefits of papaya. No work is impossible, so motivate yourself with the above papaya diet plan for weight loss. So guys, if you want to become slim, then you should improve your eating habits. This way you can live a disease-free life too. Papaya helps to reduce the extra fat. Papaya is easily available in the market and also affordable. This works better rather than taking pills and surgery for reducing unwanted weight. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Thus, follow the proper diet plan and see results. Thanks for watching video.